Hello there, welcome back to a Will Update today. Right now we still have an enhanced risk viewer, surprisingly. More, it's not that's really surprising, so, I was thinking it was going to be at least shrinked a tiny bit, as, definitely there was a cap in place, a lot of inversion, and that really didn't set off thunderstorms. Maybe, thunderstorms from the north are going to be coming down south, and that might be enhancing some stuff, maybe. But we'll have an enhanced risk severe weather tonight and tomorrow. Then day 3 we have a marginal risk, and then we have a slight risk of excessive rainfall tonight over the same region over the enhanced risk, and then also we have a moderate risk over the same region with the enhanced risk tomorrow. And then day 3 we have again the moderate risk associated with what was potential tropical cyclone like 3. So apart from that, let's get right into it. Anyways, right now we have an enhanced risk of weather across Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, slight risk across Illinois, Iowa, Minnesota, and also Wisconsin, maybe a small area of Indiana, marginal risk across Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin. Day 2, we have enhanced risk of severe weather across Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, slight risk across New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, and also a small area of Kentucky. And we also have a marginal risk across Louisiana, Nebraska, and also Colorado, Wyoming, Kansas, Missouri, and then Iowa, Illinois, Kentucky, Indiana, Michigan, West Virginia, Maryland, and then also Pennsylvania and New York. And in day 3, we have a marginal risk across South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, and then Colorado, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, Virginia, Maryland, and then Delaware, Pennsylvania, and then also New Jersey, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, New York, and Maine. I'm only going to show this, but right now we have, looking at our probabilistic, we have 5% tornado, 30% significant wind, 30% significant hail. We're not going to be showing day 2 since we showed it in last severe weather update. That was not too long ago, a couple hours ago. However, though, we're looking at a low-level jet that's going to be moving through. It's going to be strengthening. However, though, again, there's going to be low-level, more vection. It's going to be increasing. We have effective shear around 45 to 55 knots, and we have also severe thunderstorms across the upper Midwest that has been producing some significant some very significant hail and also damaging winds. It's going to continue to head to the south, it seems, and it's going to be having enhanced low-level jet. Is going to be also with mid-level lapse rates, and that's going to be be able to produce maybe an isolated tornado or two, and also some damaging wind, significant also possibly, and then also large hail potentially significant. But convective inhibition has been definitely high, and we might be seeing some more storms another round, and we'll continue to monitor this heading into tonight and tomorrow as well, since there's an enhanced risk also. Anyways, right now looking at surface analysis, right now we have a shortwave trough across Minnesota and Wisconsin, heading into also a pretty large scale system actually, as we have a pretty long front that is going from all the way from Canada, stretching all the way down all the way to Nevada. Very strong system, of course, and we'll continue. We're right now seeing temperatures across Texas around the 90s, across even most of the west is well over 100, heading to 111, 112 degrees. Across California, very hot for this time of year. It's actually record breaking. And we're looking at dew points. We're looking at dew points around 60s across portions of the Midwest, and tomorrow it should be enhanced. And yeah. Anyways, right now looking at Mixler Cape. Right now we're looking at around 3,000 joules per kilogram maximized against across Illinois. And then also looking at the enhanced risk, we're looking 200, maybe maximized at around 1,500 joules per kilogram. Some areas are much less, heading to 100 to 250 joules per kilogram. In the blue, the darker blue, you're seeing convective inhibition over negative 100 joules per kilogram, and then the light blue is indicating negative 25 to also negative 50. Higher it is, the better technically, while what's in the red is indicating the higher it is actually the worst. As yeah, we'll continue to monitor. We'll see how the low level jet's gonna be. How it's gonna influence tonight's activity. Looking at effective bulk shear right now, we're looking at around 50 knots across Iowa, maximizing, and heading into Wisconsin, we're looking at around 60, maybe even 55 to 60 knots, which is going to be quite favorable enough for again, creating updrafts are going to be capable of producing some large hail significant as well, like we've been seeing across Minnesota and Wisconsin. Apart from that, it's really it for today's weather update, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. And yeah, apart from that, it's really it, and goodbye.